Hello, welcome. And today we'll see label transformer and in very detail. So let's move on to YouTube. This is a beautiful girl, and now we play the video of her. And this is a demo for the label transformer. So I'll just play. I will enjoy the video. Now we'll explain. Here the label is black dress. Now I'll move. Now label changes to green side. Again, here this is the existing label dress, and now here no necklace and no jewelry, and then jewelry necklace and this earring. So we'll create a demo of it. So Neo will be the folder. DPL.yaml is a customize.yaml is a file, and deployment.yaml is a file. So we'll create this here where the dress is black, means existing dress is black and no jewelry and all stuffs. So now when we apply these labels, so it will change in the metadata. It will not change in the selector and template. If we want to change in the selector and template, we should include two parameters, which we'll see in detail in a few minutes. So just come back to the killer coda, and now I'll create a directory. So mkdir neo. So cd neo. Now I'll make a file vi.dpl.yaml, and I'll paste it from here. wq. I'll vi customize.yaml. So I'll copy this customization.file because most of the thing is not required. We could write that API and metadata, means API and kind also, but not required. So here we are introducing this dress changed to green. So it means existing label whatever is a black dress, now we'll changing existing label to the green sari, and modifying this jewelry and adding this jewelry necklace and jewelry ear as a earring. So I'll wq and k apply -k, or you can build first. So k customize dot. We are in the current directory. Now you'll see that this changes. So I'll control L, and I'll write tmux, so I can show you control B. So I can cat this cat this dpl.yaml file, and here I'll I customize k customize dot. So you'll see label changes here only, okay, in metadata section, not here in these sections. So what I will do, if I want to change the label here also, so I have to include two properties, that is include the match label and match select, means include the selector and labels. So what I will do, I will just vi customize.yaml, sorry, cd neo vi customize.yaml. So here I need to include two properties, include selector and include templates. So I'll write this two property. So this is the boolean field, so I'll write two. So now this is created. Now here I will k customize. So you will see added here also added. If I'll, so you'll see here added. This is the original, this is the new one. Here label change, here and labels is a black dress, it is modified to the green sari, and then to added also. So done. But if the resource is running, you should verify this, all the specs should remain same if you are applying next, and then you can change the label also in the running. It's, if the deployments are running, so you can change the label here, but you cannot alter these things. So whenever you are applying and you will get error, you means make sure that this label, means there is only, if it is the one label there in the YAML file, there should be only one label and this label, because this information is not altered after the creation. Okay, now I'll control B, left control B left arrow. So K customize dot. I can apply via this type of thing. kubectl apply -f and read from the standard input, or I can customize build and current directory. So what I will do, I will install this because this is standalone. So it should work. Okay, now it's valid. So you can use so kubectl kubectl apply current directory. This way you can apply the resources, or you can apply the resources via kubectl customize dot and pass kubectl apply -k -f on the standard here this way, or customize build. So all three way you can create, and now you can check it. Get deployment at and I can have one show label. So you are seeing green, yellow, green, and necklace. And if I want to show labels of the pods, so k get pods show labels. So you are seeing all three labels. Now if the resources are already running, so you cannot change. Now the resources are running with the label all three labels. So what you have to do, you have to first vi and dpl. So I will add all these labels here. So I will add this three label so that only one label can be changed. Otherwise, what will happen? You will face errors only, because this data should not change. And now the pod is created with this data. Now you can change the here. Dress is equal to black is here, but there it is. Whatever the label is there, you can change that label, because if the label is different with that, you will always face and you will not able to change this label also. So now I'll apply AI customization.yml, and I'll remove this because it will not help to change it. So what I will do, I will, instead of green saree, I will do it black W2, and you can apply this. Okay, that the ring is something that error in that yeah. So here the ring is, so it is not matching with the configured. So things means we have already seen that if the label is not matched with this for the running resources only, so it will not apply. Now if you will see the deployment label that is modified to dress equal to black side. So thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in next video tutorial very soon. And I'll appreciate your support and feedback, because and will actually quality will reduce, because it took a lot of time to render. So thank you so much. Whenever I will upgrade my system, I will upload in the. Thank you so much.